Hi guys, Paul O'Keefe here, and welcome to this week's bonus page. For the last few days I've been playing with some software from a good friend of mine, Aidan Corkery, and the software is called Instant Buyer Traffic. And what this is, it's an amazing system, so good that I really want you to jump inside with me in a minute and I'll show you inside what's actually in this training. But what it does is quite genius, really. And what I've done is put together a very big bonus package for you today. So I'm going to jump in now, show you what the bonus package is, and just explain what's inside this amazing little product that Aidan's put out. Cheers.
Hi guys, so here we are inside the members area of Instant Buyer Traffic, and I just wanted to break down quickly what Aidan has put together for you in here. He's put it into 6 modules, plus there's a bonus section at the bottom where you've got 2 extra bonuses. And in each module, he breaks it down so simply. He does a quick overview of the method, and then he's got another 3 videos in the module 1. In total, I think there's 34 videos you can see here that Aidan's put together. All very, very well done. Aidan's actually an ex-school teacher, high school teacher, so he's so clear and concise with his training. But what he's actually doing here, he's teaching people how to go and take buyers from Facebook and get them added into your own Facebook profile, and he teaches you how to build a list from that. And it's a very genius way of actually finding people who would be interested in buying either affiliate products or buying, if you have anything to sell online, really. Once you've learned how to build up a list like this, you could actually use it for any niche. I was thinking about when I was watching the training that he teaches it for people in the internet marketing space, but I was thinking if you did this and you went, for example, you could even pick like a sports team if you sold sports shirts or something like that. You can go and get people who are actively interested in those teams and actually build up a whole profile built around that with targeted buyers. And you could do it for any niche, really. And he doesn't really cover that in this training. He just covers it as part of internet marketing. But when you actually watch it and you realise the power of what he's got in here, it is actually really, really genius what he's done. So much so that I put together a very big bonus package today that is actually geared around the training. So this is something that I need to say now as well. This is not something that's a get rich quick scheme. This is, he teaches something very quickly. You can go through the training in a day, no problem at all, but it's something that's going to take you about a month to implement. But if you do this properly, you will reap the rewards. I mean, I'm doing this myself personally now. I've cleared out a few of my own Facebook friends and I'm re-adding back in people who are going to give me value. I've actually learned a lot from what Aidan's taught, so it's something I'm going to actually implement myself. But what I've done, I've added in the bonuses today. So we've got the Facebook auto publish plugin, which helps you publish good content and things to Facebook, which is something that he teaches in there as well. But this will actually automate the process for you. I've opened up again this weekly VIP Mastermind live sessions with myself and Richard as we started to do these again every week. Something that we charged $497 for in the past, so I'm going to give that away to anybody, because what we will do within this weekly mastermind sessions, if someone is having trouble building up their following on Facebook, because I've done this training, I can help them with that. So that's something that we can cover on the weekly mastermind sessions. And then I've put together lots of different packages here. So we've got a sales funnel part. So if you learn how to drive people, these buyer traffic to your offers, obviously these 5 products here will help you with sales funnels. And we've got ones which help you with mindset and success and how to actually have a good mindset for doing this on Facebook. I've done one for people if they're interested in Shopify. Obviously, you'll need to learn about copywriting if you're going to be bringing people to your offers. I've done a webinar pack, so it teaches you how to set up your own webinar and get big commissions. A membership pack in case you want to build a membership site and drive people to that. The great thing is this is free traffic, and the traffic that he's driving is always buyer traffic. So I've done one there that's about customers for everybody. We've done a conversion pack, because obviously if you're driving traffic to any sort of offer, you need to be able to convert it. Branding, which is something that Aidan covers in the training as well. Done an Amazon pack in case anyone was interested in Amazon. And then I've gone back to a couple of the older bonuses I had that were very good about list secrets and about 6-figure funnel secrets. So in total, it's actually 49 bonuses we've got here today. So rather than me put the information about the product on the page, I've just put a link to go straight to the sales page and have a look for yourself, look at all the social proof that Aidan's got, watch his video, and if you like what you see, you want all these 49 bonuses, then just click the button and make sure you see the 87279 affiliate badge to claim all your bonuses. Thanks for watching. Cheers now.